Hi, Jamie Hunt at Taproot Fields. Last night, about 14 hours ago actually, we had a huge storm roll through, but even more devastating was the hail. So we're out triaging and looking at the damage to see what crops we can save, what ones we have to put back in the field. It almost looks like a weed eater hit these pepper plants, just shreds everything. The hail does. Takes the leaves off it, takes the flowers off, and also damages the crops. The larger tomatoes have hail spots on them. The zucchini, yellow squash, all of our winter squash have little dimples in it from the hail. So we'll see what we can recoup and go from there. I guess that's part of farming.